1 p.m. this afternoon, teachers were already gathering at Supreme Court to witness a third ruling on their 50 to 60% pay increment, this time from the highest court in the country. And barely an hour later, 3 judges led by Deputy Chief Justice Kalpana Rawal delivered the ruling, which came out as a third blow to the teacher's employer.
That this court lacks jurisdiction to entertain an application challenging the exercise of discretion by the Court of Appeal under Rule 52B of that court's rules of 2010. There being neither an appeal nor an intended appeal pending before the Supreme Court.
The declaration by Supreme Court that it lacks powers to entertain a matter pending in the Court of Appeal now seems to limit chances for TSC to contest pay increment for teachers. The Teachers Service Commission moved to the highest court after the Court of Appeal on 23rd July ordered it to pay the 50% increment to the primary and secondary school teachers.
They came to the third level thinking they would win. Yes. But now the truth has been unveiled. We have won 3-0 against them.
We are telling the people who have been distracting us, especially the Teacher Service Commission and other bodies, to keep away, because this must be the end of this matter. What the teachers expect should be the pay on their pay slips and no end of August further appeals and counter appeals, not even including the head. Yes.
In the application, the Teachers Union, however, requested the Supreme Court not to rule on the matter since it was still pending at the Court of Appeal. But of key concern is how the government plans to implement the court's directive, given teachers have already received their salary for August.
Compels the Court of Appeal to declare the Teacher Service Commission in contempt of its own orders issued on the 3rd of July, because they've prepared the payroll without factoring in the salaries, and if they prepare the payroll without factoring in the salaries, before even they got the orders from this honorable court, then they're in contempt of court. Yes.
The teachers have threatened to go on strike in September if the government does not pay the increase, amounting to about 12.3 billion shillings. Kevin Wachira, Channel 1 News.